Oh,
Do you remember I post something on my Facebook that I
Tawagin
see
kita
M?
mamaya, mag-ready
She
daw
also
siya sa akin.
M.
yes. Mayaman.
I know
Ay,
already.
Ay, pakinggan mo. Ay, pakinggan
you
mo. Ay,
know.
natapon na.
You know already?
Yeah, I know already what the M means.
Ba't hindi nyo ininom yan? Sinaya nyo mga puking ina nyo, sinala nyo yung alak. Dapat tinapon nyo yung bigas, mapupulot pa yung alak.
Yes, I did.
Because both hands are M.
M, yes.
And
Mayaman.
her, no,
Ano yan?
don't say anything.
Ah, okay,
Let
sure.
me talk.
Dali.
Okay, let you
What the heck
talk.
was wrong with you?
Ay,
M.
pakinggan mo.
Back.
M.
Wow. Connected to MM.
Ano yun? Sino magiging asawa ko? Si M.
Wala talaga forever kang broken. Walang seryoso.
Yun talaga.
Patay kang bata ka.
M. Oh, Tagalog ka pala?
Bisaya yan?
Because the
Ay,
first
Tagalog pala.
the person that has also the same as yours, it's beautiful like you. Until now she's older and she can find any real person to make her happy.
Aray.
But I wish, because I'm not the God, but M and M. Remember I posted it?
Lagi, ayaw na lagi pagkuan ba?
Lagi, oy,
Not a
Pag-English ba?
motherfucker. It is a motherfucker.
Yeah.
You should cut off. That's cut it off. Cut it off, girl. You have to make your. Ito na lang Tagalogin ko. It's hard to spell.
Kaya nga, bakit ang English? Ako nahirapan sa iyo ba?
So ganito. So kasi ganyan yung palad mo, be. Siguro may nakapagbigay na rin sa'yo. M kasi. Nasa ano yan eh. Yan oh, M. Look, halika mo over here.
Napaka-M
Show
talaga
you.
ng kamay ko. M talaga siya.
It's M. Look, 1, 2,
Connected
3.
M.
Look, M. Pwede rin siyang W, pero M talaga siya kasi pa-face sa kanya. Lahat nag-face sa kanya. So, be,
Sa akin.
Dapat yan.
ang daming dumadaan sa'yo pero hindi talaga magtatagal. As in,
Wala.
whew. But you have to,
Ayoko na ng love. Gusto ko na lang ng pera.
wala din. Kahit madaling mawala din.